Who is Mr. Beast? Jimmy Donaldson, known as Mr. Beast, was born on May 7, 1998 in North Carolina, USA. Known as an internet phenomenon, Mr. Beast has gained millions of followers by posting various videos on YouTube. Mr. Beast is particularly known for his videos on interesting and diverse topics. He posts content such as self-imposed challenges, fundraisers and social experiments. He also collaborates with other YouTubers to produce various videos. 2. Mr. Beast's YouTube career. Donaldson uploaded his first YouTube video in February 2012 at the age of 13 under the name MrBeast 6000. His early content ranged from Let's Plays, which focused mainly on Minecraft and Call of Duty, Black Ops 2, videos predicting the fortunes of other YouTubers, videos offering tips to future YouTube creators, and commentary on YouTube drama. Donaldson rarely appeared in these videos. In July 2013, his channel, then called That Dude, had around 240 subscribers. In 2015 and 2016, Donaldson began to gain popularity with his Worst Promos on YouTube series, which poked fun at YouTube video promos. By mid-2016, Donaldson had about 30,000 subscribers. In the fall of 2016, Donaldson dropped out of East Carolina University to pursue a full-time career as a YouTuber. His mother did not approve and removed him from the family home. As his channel grew, Donaldson recruited 4 childhood friends, Chris Tyson, Chandler Hallow, Garrett Ronalds and Jake Franklin, to contribute to his channel. They then contacted numerous YouTubers to obtain statistics of their successful videos and extrapolate the platform's recommendation system. In January 2017, Donaldson posted almost a day's worth of videos, which he counted up to 100,037. The ordeal took him 40 hours, with some parts sped up to keep it under 24 hours. Donaldson also gained popularity during this period for stunts such as trying to break glass using 100 megaphones, watching paint dry for an hour, 28, attempting to stay underwater for 24 hours, which ended in failure due to health issues, and a failed attempt to spin a stress wheel for a day, 38. In 2018, Donaldson gave away $1 million for his bizarre stunts, earning him the title of YouTube's biggest philanthropist. 27. In March 2019, Donaldson organized and filmed a real-life battle royale competition in Los Angeles with $200,000 in prizes. 2 games were played, with $100,000 in game winnings for each game, in collaboration with Apex Legends. 43. The event and prize pool was sponsored by Apex Legends publisher Electronic Arts. A 2016 graduate of Greenville Christian Academy, Donaldson dropped out of college to pursue a full-time career as a YouTuber, according to Newsweek. Donaldson began uploading videos on YouTube in 2012, at the age of 13, with a channel called MrBeast 6000, and released a song called MrBeast 6000 when he had 6,000 subscribers. However, the number of views he received remained low until his 2017 video on counting to 100,000, and Donaldson's recognition increased as he uploaded videos after that. In addition to MrBeast's YouTube channel, he has also appeared on Twitter, Instagram and other social media platforms. As of 2023, MrBeast is one of the most popular YouTubers, with over 136 million subscribers and over 13 billion views. MrBeast also organizes various donation campaigns to help various charities and people. For example, in 2019, he gave $100,000 in one day to help people living on the streets with shelter, food and other needs. Overall, MrBeast is considered an internet phenomenon who has managed to attract the attention of millions of people with his interesting and entertaining content. Net worth 2023 is $105 million, and according to various news, his YouTube income is estimated to be around $26 million. 5. MrBeast advice for young people. Follow your dreams. MrBeast always emphasizes the importance of following your dreams. Do what you want to do and strive to succeed. Take risks. MrBeast believes that success requires taking risks. Try new ideas and don't be afraid to do things you don't feel comfortable with. Be patient. Patience is important to achieve success. MrBeast didn't succeed when he made his first videos on YouTube, but he stayed patient and eventually built a huge following. Believe in yourself, MrBeast. Don't let others criticize you and believe in yourself. By believing in yourself and working hard, you can achieve anything you want. Help others. MrBeast is an important figure in philanthropy and emphasizes the importance of helping others. In addition to your own achievements, try to help others in a way that changes their lives too. This advice can help young people to be confident in themselves.